Right here we have an IXO model. This is I'm looking to see if it has the scale on here anywhere. It says exact scale ornamental model for adult collectors. Ooh, sounds fancy. Packaging leaves a little to be desired. It's kind of in a crappy plastic box, as you can see here. Plastic box with not very good packing. So some parts, if you do order one, expect some parts to be broken off. I'm guessing 1/43rd scale. I mean, it's just a guess. It may be 1/50th. I don't know. Anyway, we're going 1/43rd. I should have looked it up before I started the model or the video. Anyway, Charlotte Fire Department ladder 4 truck ladder does turn, and it does extend out quite a ways. It's supposed to be a 105-foot ladder. Obviously, this is not 105 feet, and I didn't even measure it to see if it was a scale 105 feet. Maybe that would have told me what the scale of the model was. But anyway, nonetheless, it's still a nice model, kind of intermediate. What do you want to call it, quality or detail, I guess. It's closely detailed like the Code 3 64 scale and 32nd scale trucks, although you get a lot of plastic with this one. The cab's metal. Pretty much everything to the back is plastic. Makes it easier to install lighting, I guess, but still, still plastic. But overall, fairly detailed model. Looks pretty decent. If you're a member of the Charlotte Fire Department, it would look just fine on your shelf. So, as far as the lighting installed, I didn't get too crazy with it, but we do have bumper strobes, flashing headlights, red strobes above those, red strobes in the light bar. Those are tied in with the circuit board with some of the front lighting to kind of give them an offset triple strobe pattern. Strobes that would be what would be the outriggers. These do not extend on these, whereas on the Code 3 trucks they usually do. Also a strobe here towards the bottom on each side. On the rear we have strobe taillights, red strobes on the back. I mean, actually steady. I think I put steady. It's hard to remember. Steady taillights, I'm sorry. And then red strobes towards the top there, towards the platform. So, turned out pretty nice. My customer's been on me to get this one for him, although we won't get into that. Anyway, it is complete. So let's go ahead and turn it on here. We'll go over some of the lighting. If you guys ever want to add a little bit of a fire scene to your models, here you go. Take a little bit of alcohol, pour some out there. I use 91% proof, 91% isopropyl alcohol. Hit a little fire to it. Look at that, instant fire. And the best part about it, with it the way it is on the table here, it's just alcohol, a little puddle. It will burn you. Do not try this at home. I'm a trained professional. But it does add a pretty cool either foredrop or backdrop to your model. And the best part about it, you can see here that it's going to burn itself out. So that's good. And as soon as it burns out, look at there. Barely even warm to the desk. So it won't even hardly harm anything. Again, do not do this on wood or anything like that. Matter of fact, I wouldn't do it at all, but that's how I took the picture. In case anybody's wondering how I made that fire in the picture, that's how I did it. A little bit of alcohol. So, again, flashing headlights, red strobes. I'm going to get in trouble for showing that anyway. Red strobes, YouTube will ban me for life. Light bars are also red strobe, again tied opposite to the front and the bumpers to give them an offset pattern. Strobes on the sides. These two are connected on the same output of the circuit board, and this one opposite, so it gives it an up-down wig-wag flash, whereas the two standoff ones are, or for the outriggers, are, what do you call it, paired. Triple strobes on the back, steady tail lights, not flashing, and same setup over here. Back up a little bit. Bumper strobe, outrigger strobes, and then your other rear strobe by the rear wheel well. So, pretty cool. Look at it from the front again. You all wanting to see another fire, aren't you? Let's see if I got a little bit left. Oh, look, we have fire. Let's go to the fire to the front. This is just about going to get my truck on fire, but it's not my truck. Oh no, we have a fire! Some of y'all are probably hoping my camera catches on fire, right? Well, it won't. So, let's put the camera in the fire. How about that? Well, that was pretty cool. fogged up my lens for a minute. Alright, better get out of here before I catch something on fire and tear something up. Lord knows I don't want this crappy camera to tear up. Talk to you guys later. Let's put that fire out. Talk to you guys later. Thank you.